Today, I'll show you 3 platforms that pay you free PayPal money. Do you have a smartphone that you use often? The answer is probably yes, and then you can get started on making money online even if you've never done so. This is possible without investing a cent as it's entirely free to do. You need to download the apps that I'll show you and collect your earnings. Today, we will be going over 3 different websites that make you passive income. You need to watch this step-by-step tutorial till the end, and by then, you can start making money with your phone. But before we start, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, and share it with others. Now, let's start the video. So, the first one is called Userfield.com. This is a website that most of you did not know exists till now. First off, Userfield.com is a site where you can test various apps, websites, and get paid. The way this works is generally companies from all over the world will need a person to test their apps to find any bugs and problems in the aforementioned apps. They will pay Userfield.com, who will pay people like yourself to do the testing, and you get paid. As you can guess, such testing doesn't require particular knowledge or set of skills or experience, and that's why this is the first website I'm showing you today. It's an excellent place to get started making money online if you've never done so previously. Furthermore, this is a top-rated site with hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. This is perhaps among the best features of the website. They have hundreds of happy clients, and several of them can be seen below, including several of the large companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. You'll see quite a bit of info about the features they have. Userfield is multilingual usability and user testing tool. So, our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers talking 40 languages for any website in any language. It brings a lot of their customers to this website, as having testers from worldwide implies that a site for an app that's not in English can still be tested with no problems. Test on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera allows us to test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad. That's why you can do this with your phone. Of course, in the end, it's your decision. But the truth is, doable on a smartphone is a huge bonus because you do not have to be home per se to test the apps. A phone or a tablet is all you need to do so. Down right here, you can see that they are very fast. And some extra info about this site is that I'll not go over because it's not relevant for us. Instead, you need to do when you come on here to click Become a Tester in the upper right corner. On the next page, you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. So, in other words, you can get paid $10 in 20 minutes at most. At least that's not a small amount of money. Think about the fact that you do not need any skills to do this. When you come onto this page, I recommend reading everything here because you require to know how this works, and I'll go over the essential bits. So, I do not prolong this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this video. Now, let's get back to the video. First off, a fantastic feature about this is that you don't need to pay for anything. However, you need a Windows or Mac computer and a microphone. You don't even need to buy one if you have a laptop because it possibly already contains an internal mic. So if you need to buy one, you don't require something expensive. It says that it can be as cheap as $2. So there is nothing sophisticated. You will not need to use your real name when conducting a test, so no worries about that. Something rather essential to mention as well, you guys, is the qualification test. So you won't be able to get started on testing right away. However, this qualification test verifies that you have a microphone and you can complete various tasks. The last thing worth mentioning on this page is just how to get paid, and you get paid through PayPal. When you read all of this, your next step is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, click Become a Tester right here, and from there, you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter in a few of your basic details, which I'm sure you can manage by yourself. So, I'll not walk you through that process. Now, jump to the second one is called Honeygain.com. This platform is quite different from the previous one because you will be making money by sharing your internet. Now do not worry, your security isn't at risk or anything. Honeygain is a perfect method to earn passive money online. Here, you can see that Honeygain is indeed secure. As I said before, Honeygain ensures that trusted partners only utilize your internet traffic. The app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device. So they will not steal your data, and your net traffic is used by the people they rely on. If you want to read more on this, you can click here. But from my point of view, I do not think that's necessary. Below, you can see how Honeygain.com works, and long story short, it makes the internet more available to other users out there. In turn, you get paid by that here. You can see the step-by-step process. So you first set this up by installing this and run Honeygain. The app will collect data using your internet. Data will help other businesses in the process. Finally, you get paid. You do so through PayPal, and for several of you who like cryptocurrency, it's available. The last thing worth noting about this site that I can't leave out is that it does not pay a massive amount of money. The money you make depends a lot on your internet connection, but I have to remind you that this is a passive income method, not an active one, as was the case with the previous site. With Honeygain.com, you leave it running, and it makes you cash. From my point of view, you need to utilize both Honeygain when you don't have the time to do anything and Userfield when you do. The third one is called MoneyApp, moneyapp.org. This is one of the best rating apps of this kind that I've ever before seen out there. It's available for both Google Play and iOS. I couldn't find it on Google Play for some reason, so I can guarantee you that this will work on your iPhone for now. However, if you come to the App Store, you'll see that this app has a 4.9 star rating. Hundreds of thousands of people provide the net rating, and this needs to show you that this app will get you paid. You will make money by completing various tasks they offer, which will earn you credits that you exchange for money. So that's all there is to it. Nothing complicated, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.